You know that dessert that your family and friends love? This is it. I'm going to start by making a very simple cream filling. On low heat, I add 2 boxes of sweetened condensed milk. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with half a cup of whole milk. And I add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Now just let it boil over medium heat until it thickens. Since this recipe uses milk, it's important to use a tall pot so it doesn't spill over. You can swap out the fruit in this dessert if you want. I always make it with grapes too, and it turns out delicious. While the cream chills in the fridge, I'll prepare the ganache. Just put 250 grams of chocolate in the microwave. You can use milk chocolate, semi-sweet, dark, whichever you like. Mix different types however you prefer. 250 grams of chocolate and 1 carton of heavy cream. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, take it out, stir, put it in for another 30 seconds, stir, and I do this until the cream is nice and smooth. Now we let the ganache cool at room temperature before continuing with the recipe. My cream filling has cooled, so I'm adding the strawberries. The amount of strawberries will depend on the size of the dish you're using, but usually it's about 2 to 3 boxes. Now just decorate as you like. I'm adding chocolate shavings and a strawberry for a special touch. I hope you enjoyed this dessert. If you're crazy about chocolate, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know if you liked the recipe. See you in the next video.